shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, mouth and nose.
You gonna show him? You gotta show him your head, shoulders, knees, and toes so he can learn it. Show him how you do it. Can you sing it at the same time?
Joseph.
Uh-oh. You okay, Joseph? Did you bonk a little bit? Are you okay? That's a very nice hug. We have to be really gentle because your sweet hugs, Taylor, they knock him over a little bit, okay? You have to be really gentle hugs, okay?
Joseph, come on.
He's happy.
Come see my tree. Let's go over there and see.
She wants you to see her trains.